So I'm going to solve 13 through 16. So for 13 and 14, you're going to use the percent equation. So part equals percent times whole. You always have to take the percent though and write it as a fraction, or not fraction, sorry, as a decimal, my bad. And then you can solve. And remember, when you're looking for part, you're going to look for the word is. When you're looking for percent, it has the percent sign, but it has to be as a decimal. And then the whole, you're looking for the word of. So let's go ahead and put this in here. What number is, that's our unknown. So we're going to put P equals percent as a decimal, 0.45. See the last video about how to convert a percent to a decimal. And then of times 580. And you can go ahead and plug that in and solve. What percent is the missing piece? So that's going to be equals to, let's put N for percent times, our of is 160 and our is 62, so it goes on this side. So 62 equals N times 160. To get rid of times 160, we divide both sides by 160. And so we'll be left with 62 divided by 160 is equal to N, and you can solve that. Now we're going to set up the percent or proportions. Here are the hints to help you. Is over of equals percent over 100. So is, what number is the unknown. So I'm going to put P over 348. There's no of, and we know the last number is 348. Equals, and then we have the 60%, so 60 over 100. P over 348 equals 60 over 100. That looks, I'm going to do it like this, and you'll see why in a minute. Because it's a proportion, it's going to be easy to solve by cross multiplying. We'll just pretend this one big long fraction line. So let's go ahead and do our cross multiply and divide. So it's P times 100 and 60 times 348. Okay. So P, it's 100 times P. So 100P equals 60 times 348. 60 times 348 equals, I'm going to use my calculator, it'll equal 100p equals 60 times 348. That's not what I wanted. 60 times 348. That's 20,880. And then to get rid of 100, we divide by 100 on both sides, divided by 100. On my calculator, I get 208.8 is my answer there. The last one, it says 320%, that'd be 320 over 100, equals of 69, that would be on the bottom, and then is what number we don't know, so we're going to use P over 69, of course. Over 100, I'm going to rewrite this as a fraction so it's easier to cross multiply. P over 69. Let's put a fraction line in and we're going to cross multiply. 320 times 69 and 100 times P. I know you might be like, why'd you flip it? It doesn't matter. So that's why it was easier to write it that way. 100 P equals, and then it's 320 times 69. I have my calculator. 320 times 69 equals 22080 divided by 100, right? Because you're dividing by 100. Divided by 100 equals, oh, I thought it was like the last one. That's why I paused. Sorry. P equals 220.8. Wait. Yeah, that's correct. They're a little different, but they're close. So that's how you solve those.